How to fix birthday notifications not showing on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about how we can fix your birthday notification not being received or not showing on Facebook. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before starting that, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So the very first thing I want you to do is go to your Facebook. After tapping on it, you will be able to see your home page on your Facebook. What you need to do is tap on your profile at the top right option and go to the gear icon. Just tap on your settings. After that, just go under preferences. You will be able to see the notifications option. Just tap on it. After that, when you scroll down a bit in the middle, you will be able to see the birthdays option. Just tap on that option and make sure to turn this total option. Making this toggle option turned on means you will be receiving notifications on push through Facebook itself, through your email, and through your SMS. Make sure to turn on each and every option to receive notifications on all three of this. So in that way, your problem will be solved of your birthday notifications not showing on Facebook. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.